So I'm going to break down very quickly some different types of philodendron. So the first types of philodendron that I can think of are hanging philodendron. For that, I recommend, of course, the wonderful scandens. And in addition to that, the micans. I do find that the care for those generally is exactly the same. What I mean by that is they're as easy as each other. It's really not an issue if you want to own either. The care is just the same. So if you own a scandens and you really want a micans, go for it.
And I recommend cutting your vining plants back about every 2 months or so. If you don't, then you may end up with one like this philodendron I have here. See, it's now in a condition that is pretty straggly. And what I'm going to do with it is exactly what I did with this nephthyitis over here. And I'll just get my scissors right here, and we'll just cut this right back almost to the edge of the pot. Philodendron comes from 2 Greek words, philion, meaning to love, and dendron, meaning tree. Now, most of the philodendrons that don't actually climb up trees like to live in trees, and they're called epiphytes.
And this is the Philodendron luxuriance choco red. It is wonderful. It's got obviously very pretty heart-shaped leaves here, but the coolest thing is, and I really hope you can see this before, I show you the alternate footage, is the back of the leaves. The back of the leaves have this absolutely incredible burgundy color, and it is really, it packs a punch. It is a strong color. Philodendron Pluto, I think it's called Pluto. So it's this is beautiful. It's got a lot of dimension in the leaf. That's the best way I can describe it. It looks very, very 3D. The image I'm looking at now shows like a really beautiful lime green on the outside, and then it kind of fades into a dark green. You can see all the shadow.